Crispy, flaky, minty parathas with some black dal or dal makhani is one of the favorite usual meals at my home. And trust me, this paratha is going to be the most flavorful and aromatic paratha that you'll ever eat. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food, and let's begin with the recipe for Pudina Paratha. Let's start with making the dough first. So I have 1 cup of wheat flour here. Into that I'm going to add salt, 1 teaspoon of Carom Seeds or ajwain, 1 cup of finely chopped pudina or mint leaves. Next add in 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Mix all these ingredients first, and using water we'll make the dough. This dough is ready, and just let it rest for only 5 minutes, not more than that. Let's start with shaping the parathas. For that, I'm going to take a big portion of this dough. 1 cup of the flour will make around 3 parathas. Use some dry flour and roll out a big roti. This is done, and now I'm going to sprinkle a few spices over the paratha. So for that, brush this with a little bit of oil. You can even use ghee if you wish. I'm going to start with sprinkling some amchur powder or raw mango powder, some black salt, coriander cumin seed powder, red chilli powder, asafoetida, just 1 big pinch. Sprinkle a little bit of dry flour. Let's start with making pleats. So around 1/2 inch pleats. Start folding the paratha. Let's roll these pleats now and push this end in the back. Press lightly, and we're going to dust it in some dry flour, some on the board. And now we start rolling on the side where we push the end. So with light pressure, if any of the end is tearing or splitting open, you can just stick it together. There's nothing to worry. You don't have to be extremely neat while making this paratha because there's a lot of pudina or mint leaves and it is bound to split open. Just a normal paratha thickness, not too thin. And now I'm going to turn on the flame. Time to roast this paratha. Cook the paratha on medium flame. Flip it over and now brush with ghee or oil, whatever you wish to use. Brush a little bit of oil on the other side as well. Once you get golden spots on one side, cook on the other side, and this is done. Let's make another one. These parathas are ready. Next time, serve them with black dal and some bundi raita. The links you can find in the description box below. Do try these at home, comment below, and I'll see you soon every Monday just on Rajshri Food.